dejected, depleted, heartbeat for defeated. The only person left seated when domestics get heated. They come and go, but my position never wavers. Got me reaching out for help, proclaiming God as my saviour. Mental world, leave me nothing to chance. Exchange my hope for something so damningly sinful that it has to be classed. A numbers game, it's some will say can have you covered in flames. It's stuck in my brain and it just keep on coming again. The hurt and the pain, the hurt and the pain. My only purpose is to suit the dirt without these rusty chains. Try being lifeless in a place where nothing ventured, nothing gained. I'm at the centre of a circus parade. The plot thickens, never bitten or shy. Dripping or dry, written or live. Never young, never old, never involved. Why? It's crazy life's positioned around me. I manoeuvre through it like fumes day, and I guess that I'm doomed to. Doomed to be free. I'm doomed to be free. Forever doomed to be free. I need compensation for the complications. Now I've lost my patience and my concentration. I'm no longer waiting, be no evil. I don't see no heroes in these feeble people. Only weasels, holding needles, total zeros and weirdos. I lean most towards a ghost of sorts. Maybe my morals and my sorrow and my hopes are lost. These eyes are tiring, these lies are expiring. I've been so busy admiring the violence, I didn't hear the sirens. Now I'm sifting through this place of waste with haste. Always disconnected for the chase, another nameless face. My life's a mess, my lines are stressed, my taste and everything's so weird. Depression's my expression, I don't know what's my role here. The dust settles and the smoke clears, and 4 years have passed since I last had a setting with no fear. My fingers grip the edge but it's blade sharp, and if I turn my head I see the children out their brains and they play part. Doomed to be free. I'm doomed to be free. Forever doomed to be free. She'll never know just what it's like to go alone through this life. I write her name out in my palm so I can hold her at night. I want to hurt you for the thrill of your pain, cause you can say that you're in love, but when I die I'm being silly again. Man, I'm a tourist in my own tune. Put the wind down, put the wind down, put the wind down. It's the same tune. I'll try again, but I've made my bed and it's remaining something I've not got the brain to accept. I stay adaptable, I change with the times, but I'm an empty bucket bottle forced to mingle with the finest of wines. They should just throw me out the back to the ducks, cause I don't get any love for MD even after they react to the drugs. No more than nothing, nothing less than depression. I've come to find that it's too much to ask for answers. Still I'm posing the question, why me? I'll probably go young but die free. Nah, never man, I could be a quitter but why breathe? Doomed to be free. I'm doomed to be free. Forever doomed to be free. MOG